This is our first introduction of this type of vehicle in the Philippines, no? Which is priced at 898,000. This compact hatchback is capable of running up to 300 kilometers range. This is actually more than enough in what we need for daily use and daily commute, whether here in the city or even the province. So it's a perfect vehicle and actually rides very, very good. The vehicle is feature-packed. It has its BYD voice command, you have your wireless charger, you have your cruise control, you have all the advanced safety features of the vehicle. What is impressive about this vehicle is its riding comfort. As soon as you sit on the driver's seat and the passenger seat, you will feel the difference already in any of our BYD vehicles. It's very comfortable, it's very soft, it's very peppy. When we have a new car, I always test it in EDSA because in EDSA, from Caloocan all the way to MOA, you get to experience the entire different kinds of road conditions in our country. Okay? And the BYD Seagull will be given flying colors because it is immaculate in our Philippine road conditions. I was talking earlier with one of the vloggers that used the vehicle going up from Talisay to Tagaytay. No, he was like in a go-kart track. In terms of power, it has ample power, perfect for our road condition in the country. The vehicle, the BYD Seagull, is available starting today in all our dealerships nationwide for immediate delivery. The motor warranty is for 8 years. The blade battery warranty is for another 8 years, both with 160,000 kilometers. And the vehicle warranty is at 6 years or 150,000 kilometers. I encourage everyone to please experience the BYD Seagull in all of our dealerships, no? Because it will change your mind when deciding to purchase this type of vehicle in this particular segment.